Now, after seeing the law of gearing and velocity of sliding and rolling velocity, now we will move forward to next topic, that is conjugate profile. So many times this will be asked in the exam, what is conjugate profile? So conjugate profile is nothing but if the tooth profiles of a pair of a gears are so designed that a constant angular velocity ratio is produced and maintained during the operation, then the gears are said to have conjugate action and the tooth profiles are said to be conjugate profiles. So that means a gear pair is said to have conjugate profile if it satisfies law of gearing. So there are two types of profile in the gear tooth. So these are cycloidal gear tooth profile and involute gear tooth profile. See students, you have studied this cycloidal profile and involute profile in the first year. Okay, so I will just share with you the definition. What is cycloidal profile? A cycloid. What is cycloid? A cycloid is a curve traced by a point on the circumference of a circle which rolls without slipping on a fixed straight line or on circumference of a circle. So again there are two types of cycloid, epicycloid and hypercycloid. So epicycloid means if the circle rolls without slipping outside the base circle, the curve traced by a point on the circumference is called as epicycloid. And what is hypercycloid? If the circle rolls without slipping inside the base circle, the curve traced by a point on the circumference is called hypercycloid. And another term you can find as involute. Now here I have drawn the figure. So this is epicycloid, circle rolls outside the base circle. See here, and whatever part trace, so it is known as epicycloid. And here circle roll inside the base circle, and whatever part trace is known as hypercycloid. And this is involute. This you are drawn in engineering graphics by uh, making the parts of circle, and you are taking the perimeter and blah blah blah. So you just refer the engineering graphics how to draw involute. So involute. So definition of involute is a curve obtained by the end of a tight string or taut string which is wound to a circle when it is unwound. The teeth of a gear are designed to have an involute profile so that they follow law of gearing. So most of the time gear teeth profile have the involute type of profile so as to maintain the law of gearing. Okay. So question generally asked in the exam, write the comparison of cycloidal and involute tooth profile. So here I have given some comparison. So involute tooth profile gear and cycloidal tooth profile gear. So here almost 7 comparison points I have given. So just go through it. So first point is involute tooth gear profile. So left side and cycloidal gear tooth profile right side. So here first point is profile of involute gear is single curvature. In cycloidal, profile of cycloidal gear is double curvature. We have seen. Now, pressure angle from start of engagement of teeth to the end of engagement of teeth remains constant, which results in smooth running in involute profile. Whereas, pressure angle varies from start of engagement to the end of engagement, which results into less smooth running. Now, the center distance of involute gear can be varied with limits without changing the velocity ratio. And in cycloidal, the center distance between cycloidal gear is to be kept constant to keep velocity ratio constant. Fourth, manufacturing of these involute gears is easy due to single curvature of tooth profile. But whereas manufacturing of cycloidal gear is difficult due to double curvature of tooth profile. Next point is the strength of involute teeth is less due to radial flanks, whereas strength of cycloidal teeth is comparatively more due to wider flanks. The involute gears have interference problem. Interference, we have to see what is interference. So the involute gears have interference problem, whereas cycloidal gears do not have any interference problem. In involute gear you can find more wear of tooth surface, whereas in cycloidal gear you can find less wear in cycloidal tooth profile. So these are some comparison points. You can refer the books and you can add if you want to add. So this is also